Good day, everybody. Lord Williams here on my next video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the ASVLW NFT. I'm going to talk about 10 things that really makes our coin unique that every person should know. So let's go ahead and dive into this video. It's going to be very quick. So pause it if you need to, replay it. Watch all of these videos, though, that are on our page because I think that these videos should give you a full understanding of exactly what it is we're doing, how it's going to work for you, and how you can best use this service. All right, so first one is, all right, number one, very simple. It's an NFT. It can't be faked, it can't be duplicated, it can't be replicated. Part of the problem with doing any kind of thing on the internet, pictures, things of that nature, is that people can duplicate them. We can duplicate it. We own the copyrights to them. So yes, there can be mass duplications of the coin. However, there's only one of one. There's only two of two, if you will, for example, right? Now, you guys know that there's going to be 1,000 coins that I will mint that are connected to this contract. So there's only so many of these coins that will be done. All right. That's the benefit of the NFT. Each one's unique. So that's one. Number two, let's dive into it. All right. Is that this is all blockchain digital, means no finger, no actual ID. All right. Everything is done digitally. All right. Everything's done digitally. So that means users from all around the world in any environment can participate because it's all done through digital ledger and blockchain. That brings us to number three. All right. Number three is we manage our own Stay Mobile, Stay Social token and coin, which runs on its own blockchain. That means that this blockchain is secured. It will track everything. It will be able to be traced. It will be able to be connected directly to the NFT, which means this is all one platform. Usually, when you work with an NFT, you're going to have a user who has an NFT. All right. They may create it on one platform, but then the NFT itself is sold on another platform. All right. We take out all the middleman, we run it all exclusively. All right. This means that once it's on the network and on the server, it's on the network and it's on the server. Let's go to number four. Number four, all right. The fourth reason to know this is that you have high ROI. All right. You're going to get a chance to get a very high ROI. Why? Because our company is getting ready to launch with the first one in the $7 trillion plus market cap for aerial aviation, but in the drone world. But we are also the first ones to be fully commercial and launching here at the time of this video within a matter of days. So what that means for you guys is that the purchase of our first set of tokens at $10 is darn near guaranteed to go up. I can never say anything is guaranteed, but I think you guys can imagine that with us already having over 75,000 flights on record with the company eHang, all right, that's the manufacturer of our drone. I think it's safe to say we're getting ready to move up. We have 25 drones that are getting ready to be delivered out of 100 that will be delivered just this year, 2026. Let's talk about number five. All right, we're going through this pretty quick, guys. I hope you're tracking it. Number five, what else adds to the value of this token is this. All right, again, it's owned. So the owner of the 1% that is being leveraged is me and the company that I majority hold ownership in next to the founder. So you're getting it right from the horse's mouth, long story short. All right, let's talk about number six, what makes this particular NFT unique. When you buy this NFT, you're also going to be added to a VIP group. All right, our VIP group, all right, will pay a set fee. This set fee, all right, puts them on this VIP group for life. All right. They have to own the coin. They pay a small fee to stay inside the VIP group. All right. When they pay that fee to stay inside this VIP group, they're going to get first alerts. All right. First alerts is going to be when we're getting ready to mint a whole new set or new batch of coins. Or, for example, we're in, let's say, Thailand, and then we go to Guam. Then we go to, let's say, Kenya. All right. Then we go to Brazil. Each one of these are projects. All right. Each one of these projects will have a 1,000 mint of NFTs. Why is that important? If you're a part of First Alert, you will know that this mint is getting ready to start before the rest of the public does, because you will be a part of our private members only call. Really important, really important. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about number 7. I hope you guys are getting excited because we're almost at 10 and it just keeps getting better and better and better, right? All right, so we already talked about the VIP. We've talked about the coin itself. The utility service of the coin is this. Because we have SMS, we've already talked about this part, right? You, as the NFT holder, are going to be working on the SMS chain. So, because you're coming in at the very beginning, you not only have SMS coin that you can hold, but that SMS coin is going to gain value. Why? Because the utility, all right, we're just going to say use of the coin is going up. Why is it going up? Because we're using it for all of our NFTs. Now, that's a big deal because that means that you get paid again. Because holding that SMS coin while the tokens are being exchanged throughout the entire life of the token, right? Continually, plus the use of the SMS platform, SMS platform, excuse me, is value increase, which drives the value of your coin. Okay. So all of that is compounded into your coin. I don't know if that's a great thing or a greater thing, but it's all good. Let's talk about number 8. All right. Number 8, what makes this coin so unique is it's like land, all right, or minerals, gold, for example. All right. It's an asset. So you can hold this asset and ride it till it goes high. And then you can sell to make a large amount of capital. This goes back to that ROI process we were talking about. And this is why the high ROI opportunity is there. But high ROI is one thing, but holding the asset is another. So that's why we have 2 categories. Kind of touch the same, but they're not really the same. All right. So once you understand that, you understand the utility, you understand the asset side of things. Let's talk about number 9 because we're almost there. We're almost done. Number 9 with the ASVLW NFT is this. There is only going to be 1,000 made. We already know that. Okay. But we talked about it. Every project, all right, i.e., country like Africa. All right, that's a continent. But inside Africa, you have Gambia, you have Ghana, you have let's say I'm trying to think of another one, Kenya, let's say Rwanda, right? These are all projects. So that means there's 1,000 here, 1,000 here, 1,000 here, 1,000 here. What this means is that supply and demand will increase. If supply and demand increases, all right, because we have projects in every country that we roll out to, All right. I'm just using these as examples. That means that your actual NFT value will go up. All right. That's number 9. Talking about all the different places we go and how it drives the actual market. And now getting to number 10, the lonely number 10. He's the end, but it's not that, it's the, if you will, the worst, because it's at the end. Number 10 is just number 10. So let's talk about number 10 and why number 10 gives you what we like to call the 1 through 10 need to knows about our NFT. Is this particular NFT, all right, we know that we can hold it, we know that we can sell it, all right, but this particular NFT comes back with the quarterly payout system. When you're a part of this quarterly payout system, you're automatically able to become a VIP member. Our VIP member group gets access to everything in advance. At least they know about it so that they're ready the day of when we do the release. This helps drive the market, by the way. But what we're going to do with number 10 here, get ready. I'm trying to build up some suspense if you can't tell. But what happens with number 10 is this. All right. Number 10. We're going to take all of this and combine it. All right. I hope you guys are listening to me. All of what I just said, and we're going to combine it. All right. Number 10 is this. We talked about the SMS token. SMSS. Excuse me, I keep saying that wrong. The SMSS. Stay mobile, stay social. However, what we didn't talk about is becoming a super, what we call, node. All right. A super node is a person who's doing tons and tons of transactions. All right. They're boom, boom. They're just every day, just crazy amounts of money is exchanging hands. It doesn't mean a large amount. It could be small amounts, but they're exchanging hands. We're going to provide you the opportunity to become a node, which is one thing, or a super node on our platform, which is something completely different. When you're selling these, you're using SMSS to pay. All right. That's how you're buying the NFT. Okay. On our blockchain. If you're holding the SMSS and you're a VIP member, we're going to give you special access. All right. To stay mobile, stay social updates. This is huge because you're going to be able to create 3 streams of revenue opportunity on one purchase. All right. The first purchase is this. I buy the first token, all right, the NFT. It's $10. I can hold it, right? I can sell it, and I have a blockchain. That is increasing in value every time a transaction is done on it, but more importantly, every time someone is buying said NFTs. And we say said NFTs because we plan to operate all around the world, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So there could be a total at one point in time, 30 countries or 30,000 of these NFTs that are made. And with that 30,000 of NFTs, because you came in at the beginning, you're going to be a VIP member. I'll put it up here. You're going to be VIP. So you're going to know. That didn't show up real good. Let me move it down here. You're going to be VIP. So you're going to know when the next country is getting ready to release its next batch of NFTs. We're going to give you an opportunity to become part of this Stay Mobile, Stay Social platform at its beginning stage. It's only been around for a few years. You're going to be able to get in on the ground floor because you're going to be using this network to move all of our NFTs. And because you're an NFT holder, we're going to give you the ability, to be able to double, triple dip. You're going to buy it, you can hold it, it increases in value. You sell it at one point, you get high ROI. You sell it, it's on the blockchain. Everyone else is moving, selling, exchanging, and the blockchain is already growing because it's connected to the Ariel Seed Ventures company. Congratulations. You just picked up all 10s of the reason why. I like to call it the 10s. You just picked up the 10s on all the reasons why you should be involved in the ASVLW NFT. Thank you for your time. I hope these videos helped you out a lot. We look forward to you guys joining us in this new movement. We've got a lot more coming, and I hope you guys will enjoy and take privilege in what it is that we're going to create and do for you. Take care and have a great day.